Good late afternoon, everybody. See the water out there? Little Texas lake. Life is unscripted. And as much as I try to be in control, or it never works. Well, today I am back at removing all of the residue, sticker residue from the old decal, looking really good. But before we get into that, unfortunately the windshield for the new RV arrived broken, and the dealership I'm working there with, they're doing everything they can to help out. They understand that this, affects a lot of different aspects of what I'm trying to do right now, and they're really helping out. They really are. It was out of their control too. But it took a week to get that broken windshield. So, and unfortunately, the old windshield that was removed actually got damaged. So that is not an option. My RV currently has no windshield at all. But I will say that they have ordered the windshield. It's on the way. However, the problem with that, it's not even really that big a problem. Like, look, I'm smiling. It's fine. We adapt. It's no biggie. The problem is, Yoda's already been paid for. Luckily, the buyer of Yoda is being very understanding of the stuff that's also out of my control and the dealer's control. But Yoda still has to be picked up within a certain window here. So for that reason, well, it looks like Jax is getting used to it. Welcome to my U-Haul truck here. Yeah. It's kind of ironic and funny because if you've been following me, every single RV I've owned, I've had a U-Haul truck involved in that transaction, because usually you have to move out of what you're in, put everything in here, and either go to a hotel, or you guys remember in Panama City, I lived in a U-Haul van with Jax and got in trouble for it for a couple days. But just the timing, I will say the dealership paid for this U-Haul truck for 9 days. They already paid for it in full. They are doing absolutely everything possible to help out. So what I got to do in the next 2 days is move all of my stuff from Yoda into the U-Haul truck here. And then I'll probably be spending my nights in Angela's van with her until the new RV is ready. Then it'll get here, and we will both move into the new RV, return the U-Haul truck. It's just another step. It's just another little obstacle. Life is never as you planned it, and that's okay. Jax is pretty adaptable. We all are, There's just nothing I can do except, figured I'd share that with you. Again, I don't know what I'm going to do for the next week except clean and pack and then move back out again. So, but not even, it's fine. It's beautiful. It's going to be, 70 degrees, 70 or 74 degrees coming up here this weekend. So yeah, no problem. I'll just keep giving you updates. Oh, let me go on the other side. I'll show you the process here. I'm using my new telescoping ladder here that'll go 12 feet if you need it. But I've actually got that Goo Gone stuff in here for sticker adhesive. So that's what I'm spraying on there and then rubbing off the sticker adhesive that you can probably see up there. If I get can you see it? The old sticker residue there, but not right here. That's what I'm doing on the outside for the rest of today. And then tomorrow, start moving out of Yoda. Jax is so funny. What are you doing, Jax? It looks like we're moving to Arizona. Got an Arizona plate. Is that not where we're going? Okay, where are we going then? Anywhere, Dad, anywhere. So, I'll just keep working at the exterior and interior of Yoda and make things happen. And when things change, I'll update you here from where we're at. All right, good morning, everybody. Slept well out here, really quiet. And yesterday I didn't get a whole lot done. But the little mom's attic part up there, that is my cab over area, is completely empty up there. So today I hope to finish it all in one day. Get everything except food and clothes out of the RV by the time the sun sets today and get this thing packed up. I want to keep an aisleway here, so that's the plan. In the meantime, though, this campground does allow us to get some packages, but it cost $5 to accept a package here. This is 3000 Trails, the first one I've seen like that. Oh, no biggie. Really good timing. Actually, a company, Rockpals, sent me out something that I am very excited to add to RV life, because as you know, when I sell Yoda, my new RV will have 0 solar. I have to start all over. So in the meantime, until we get there, this is a 300-watt portable power station. As you can see, it's got DC, it's got AC out, it's got USB ports, it's rechargeable, it's lithium. I forget how many amp hours it is total. I'll put a graphic up how many amp hours are in this portable power station, as well as a folding 100-watt solar kit. Let me open this up. All right, press there, press there. Dun, dun, dun. Those are solar panels, guys. How about that? So it looks like, yeah, 4 of them. 4 panels, and you can see how big they are with my hand on here. This is 100 watts. To put that into perspective, I have 2 panels on the roof that total 500 watts on Yoda, which are going with Yoda, as with the batteries and the charge controller and the inverter and everything. So this is 1/5 of what we've got up there, but I am going to use this for a long time, till as long as it lasts, basically. You guys remember when I got a little solar suitcase kit some 5 years ago in my very first RV? Well, go to the Northwest where it's really cloudy, or if you want to park somewhere with the RV where there's no sun, you're not going to get any charge to keep cool. So this I can put out somewhere else where there is sun, and then run an extension cord back to the battery. And this kit comes with a bunch of stuff in here too. So see the little charge controller right there built in, but they also included the MC4 adapter. So you can plug this into the panel, and then this can go right into your existing array of solar with the MC4 connectors, or you could clip them off and put in little eyelets and hardwire this connection to your battery bank in your RV, and then just get a very long extension cord so the panel can go out in the sun. And I expect that's probably what will happen. I'm also going to have some help to install the other solar kit later on. I'm not going to do it myself. I want someone who's a little more cleaner with the wiring and stuff like that, but we shall see. So this kit comes with everything. I'm going to hook it up right now and see how it works. All right, I got the solar panels connected to the power station here. I'm doing USB. I am charging my phone successfully right now. The little screen on here is kind of hard to see with the sun behind me right now. So for this experiment, there is red LED through here with the display telling me what the battery condition of this, how many amps are coming in through the solar. There's a great little display on there that tells me what's going on. I think what I'll use this most for is going out to the river with my MacBook Pro, plug it into this power station underneath my chair, and I could have unlimited editing right by the water. Other things, you could bring a fan. 300 watts is the total max, and I think it's just great. It's so thin. It's so paper thin compared to some of the folding suitcase solar that you can get out there in the 100-watt general area. So yeah, anyway, I really appreciate Rockpal sending this out to me. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but they did send it out to me free of cost. And if you want to look at the prices, you can get 11% off if you use a promo code NOMADIC. And I'll put a link in the video description. You can go check out their power station and their solar panels. They have a few different solar panel kits there that you might be interested in. And like I said, I've used these before, and Rockpals is a good company, so I have to give them a thumbs up. They came with all of the correct wires and everything I needed today, so cool. Well, and now this. Okay, well, it's time to move out of Yoda. Making progress. My helper is hilarious. He just cannot stand to not have attention during this move. You're funny, man. Okay, I'm back on schedule now. All empty. I've got a few things left over here food-wise for the next 2 nights. Otherwise, it's looking pretty plain in here. Cab over area, all empty. Jack's man has been helping. We've been finding all sorts of cat toys all over the place. Funny because 4 days ago it was 20 degrees and I had to run a heater. I've got the air conditioner on now because it's like 73 or 4 degrees and I'm making laps back and forth, so trying to stay cool. That's Texas for you. So I'm gonna keep working out of here, just taking a quick little lunch break, and then maybe we'll have a little bonfire because I got a little section of trash, donate that I'm done with, and that's always a good thing.